Understanding personal injury insurance coverage. Explore the various types of personal injury insurance coverage available, such as bodily injury liability, medical payments coverage, and uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Comparing health insurance and personal injury protection. Analyze the differences between health insurance and personal injury protection, PIP coverage, discussing scenarios where one might be more beneficial than the other. Navigating workers' compensation insurance. Dive into the intricacies of workers' compensation insurance, discussing how it operates, the types of injuries covered, and the benefits provided to employees. Sports and recreation injury insurance. Examine the role of insurance in covering injuries sustained during sports and recreational activities, including specialized insurance for athletes, teams, and event organizers. Travel insurance for medical injuries. Explore how travel insurance policies can provide coverage for medical injuries that occur while traveling, including accidents, emergencies, and medical evacuations. Understanding personal injury lawsuits and insurance. Discuss the interaction between personal injury lawsuits and insurance, including how insurance companies handle claims and settlements and the factors that influence these processes. Medical malpractice insurance. Delve into the world of medical malpractice insurance, explaining its importance for healthcare professionals and healthcare facilities and how it covers injuries caused by medical negligence. Injury insurance for business owners. Explore the concept of general liability insurance for business owners, which can provide coverage for injuries that occur on business premises or due to business operations. Auto insurance and personal injury claims. Detail the connection between auto insurance policies and personal injury claims, covering topics such as no-fault insurance, at-fault accidents, and the claims process. Disability insurance for injury-related loss of income. Discuss disability insurance options available to individuals who sustain injuries that lead to temporary or permanent loss of income, including short-term and long-term disability coverage. The role of medical examinations in injury claims. Examine how medical examinations are used by insurance companies to assess the severity and validity of injury claims and their impact on the claims process. Psychological injury coverage in insurance policies. Address the inclusion of psychological and emotional injuries in insurance coverage, discussing the challenges of assessing and quantifying these types of injuries. Catastrophic injury insurance planning. Explore the importance of catastrophic injury insurance planning, discussing how individuals and families can prepare for severe injuries that require extensive medical care and long-term support. Injury prevention and insurance premiums. Investigate how practicing injury prevention measures can positively impact insurance premiums, leading to potential discounts and benefits for policyholders. Evaluating personal injury settlement offers. Provide guidance on how individuals should evaluate and negotiate personal injury settlement offers from insurance companies, considering factors such as medical expenses, pain and suffering, and long-term effects. Remember that insurance policies and regulations can vary by location and provider, so it's essential to tailor these topics to the specific context you're addressing. Understanding personal injury insurance coverage is a comprehensive topic that delves into the various aspects of insurance coverage related to personal injuries. This topic could cover a wide range of information, including Introduction to personal injury insurance. Provide an overview of what personal injury insurance is, explaining its role in providing financial protection to individuals and families in the event of accidental injuries. Types of personal injury coverage. Detail the different types of coverage available within personal injury insurance, such as bodily injury liability coverage, medical payments coverage, personal injury protection, PIP, and more. Bodily injury liability coverage. Explain how bodily injury liability coverage works, outlining its role in covering medical expenses, legal fees, and compensation for the injured party if the policyholder is at fault in an accident. Medical payments coverage. Discuss the purpose of medical payments coverage, which helps pay for medical expenses regardless of who is at fault in an accident, and explain its limitations and benefits. Personal injury protection, PIP coverage. Explore the concept of PIP coverage, common in no-fault states, which provides coverage for medical expenses, lost wages, and other related costs after an accident, regardless of fault. Uninsured/underinsured motorist coverage. Detail the significance of uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, which steps in to cover medical expenses and damages if the at-fault party has insufficient or no insurance. Limits and deductibles. Explain the terms policy limits and deductibles and how they affect the coverage amount and out-of-pocket costs for the policyholder in case of an injury. Exclusions and limitations. Discuss common exclusions and limitations in personal injury insurance policies, such as intentional acts, pre-existing conditions, and certain high-risk activities. Claim process. Describe the step-by-step process of filing a personal injury insurance claim, from reporting the incident to the insurance company to receiving compensation. Factors affecting premiums. Explore the factors that influence the cost of personal injury insurance premiums, including the policyholder's driving history, age, location, and the type of coverage chosen. Comparing coverage options. Offer guidance on how individuals can assess their personal injury insurance needs, considering their lifestyle, risk factors, and financial situation when selecting coverage options. Role of personal injury attorneys. Explain how personal injury attorneys can assist policyholders in navigating the insurance claim process, especially in cases where disputes or complex legal issues arise. Understanding policy language. Help readers decipher complex insurance terminology commonly found in personal injury insurance policies, ensuring they have a clear understanding of what is covered and under what circumstances. Importance of regular review. Emphasize the need for policyholders to review their personal injury insurance coverage periodically to ensure it aligns with their current needs and circumstances. Case studies and examples. Include real-life case studies or examples that illustrate how personal injury insurance coverage works in different scenarios, making the information more relatable and understandable. By covering these aspects, your content can provide readers with a comprehensive understanding of personal injury insurance coverage, empowering them to make informed decisions about their insurance needs and rights. Comparing health insurance and personal injury protection is a valuable topic that helps individuals understand the differences and similarities between health insurance and personal injury protection, PIP. Here's how you could structure the content. Returning to work after recovery. Returning to work after a work-related injury is crucial for the employee's physical and emotional well-being. It can provide a sense of normalcy, financial stability, and social interaction. It's also beneficial for the employer, as they can retain experienced employees, maintain productivity, and minimize the costs associated with hiring and training new personnel.